class 6. Today, as I told you, next day we will do heat zone. So our topic is heat zone of the earth. Now what is heat zone? Talking about heat zone, this is the areas on the earth where the temperature of the earth is being classified or divided. This occurs due to the sun rays, that how much sun rays and when are the sun rays falling on it. According to it, the heat zones are divided. Our earth receives heat from the sun. As this is our earth, some place of the earth receives direct heat and some places receive slanting heat, and some places are there who receives very slightly sun rays. So according to it, it is divided. First one is torrid zone. Now what is torrid zone? This lies between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer. See here in the northern hemisphere, and equator and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Now as I told you, this is the equator, which is dividing the earth into two halves. The upper half is known as the northern hemisphere and the lower half is known as the southern hemisphere. So this here, if this is the sun here, the sun rays will be direct. So up till this portion, Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, the sun rays are directly falling on it throughout the year. That means the whole year. And as the sun rays are directly falling in these places for the whole year, these are the most hottest place, and so it is the hottest zone. Here, very little differences between the summer and winter temperature can be found. This is from this equator is 0 degree. This is 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south. After Tropic of Torrid zone, this is temperate zone. This is northern temperate zone. This is southern temperate zone. Now, from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. So, these are called latitudes. Some latitudes have been given name. So, this is the name of the Arctic Circle. That means from 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. Here, the sun rays are not directly falling because the sun is here. So here it is coming directly, but here it is coming in a comfortable zone. It is coming in a slanting way, and as it is coming in a slanting way, so here this place becomes neither too hot nor too cold. It is quite suitable to live in. Temperate. So these two areas are known as temperate zone. So beneath it you can see this is frigid zone. This is frigid zone, and at the top it is a North Pole and South Pole. From Antarctic Circle to South Pole, Arctic Circle to North Pole. That means from 66.5 degree to 0 degree, 90 degree north, and 66.5 degree 90 degree south. That is southern part of the hemisphere. That is Antarctic Circle, and at up it is the Arctic Circle. Here the sun rays are slanted, and here as it is slanted, it is not only slanted, it is very weak also, because at the top very less sunlight are going over here, and as not much sunlight is received by these two places remain cold, and so it is known as frigid zone. These zones are very cold. This is the coldest zone compared to the other parts. Okay, as the sun sets and sun rays are not falling directly, while there is something more happening. Here, when it is hot in this part, in the northern hemisphere, the sun rays does not set completely. that means the suns are not burned down. As we are having night, they don't have night, they have 6 months of sunlight. Same in the frigid zone in the Antarctic Circle, when this portion is having sun for 6 months, this portion is having darkness for 6 months. Again, when we are having winter in this part, as our earth is, our country is situated in this part, so when we are experiencing winter, this part, that means the southern hemisphere, they experiences summer. At that time, that means from our winter season, October, November, December, January, February, this portion gets light, full light, and this portion remains in darkness. Okay, thank you.